Wow, SUI coin hits 17.20% increase in price. I think this is the biggest among the top 100 crypto coins. Yeah, this is the biggest coin that really pumped today, hitting 17.20% increase in price. Now, even in the past 7 days, because remember, most coins have been trading on red. Just today, we saw that so many coins started rising, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance, BNB, and so many XRP, Repo. But today, this coin have massively rise, and even when other coins were trading on red, this coin was still trading on green. That's why you can see in the past 7 days, it actually hit almost 11%. And before yesterday, it started trading on red. And then when I saw for the first time SUI trading on red for over 4 days, I was like, well, I think this crypto crash should really hit BTC and other crypto coins, because the coin has been massively rising. But at the time of recording this coin is now rising and massively hitting almost 18%, which is amazing. That means if you have invested $1,000 as at the time of recording this, at the time when this at the time when the coin was rising, if you invested $1,000, you will have earned $170 profit. This is what we call crypto trading, daily trading, intraday trading, making profit. People always want to take opportunities from coins that can rise like this, making profit with these coins. Now, I'm happy with SUI. They are still ranked among the top 100. In fact, they keep on increasing in terms of ranking every day. They keep on dominating. Gradually, before you know, this coin will be ranked among the top 50, which is amazing. The top 50 SUI, for me, I still need to encourage those of you that have not that don't have coins, that don't have SUI coins to buy, because it might end up seeing this coin trading at $10 or even more tomorrow, and you'll be like, I know when this coin was also trading at a very low price, I would have invested or buy this coin. But as you're investing, just buy what you can afford to lose. If you want to buy SUI coin, okay. So it's amazing to see SUI hitting almost 18% increase in price today, which is amazing. And I hope in the next 2 weeks, based on statistics, based on our current statistics, the coin will be hitting more than 200 to 300% increase in price. So for those that invested earlier on SUI, they have already earned profit. So if you're investing right now, maybe you need to wait, have patience, but I still believe the coin is still good. It's still one of the best coins you need to buy. So SUI, good to see the coin hitting over 17% increase in price today, and also good to see that many crypto coins have been able to rise, and also happy to see that the king of crypto industry himself, Bitcoin, is back on the green. So let's see how the week goes. Well, let's see before the end of the week. Let's see before the weekend. Let's see how BTC goes. Or let me just say before the end of the month, okay? Because we have just about 7 days, I think so, 7 or 8 days a week before the end of the month. So let's see before the end of August 2023. Let's see if SUI will be starting September. The 1st of September, I believe this coin can rise more. I have seen this coin being ranked among the top 60 crypto coins with the highest market cap. Before the end of this month, it's going to rank among the top 60. So gradually, like I said, it will soon be ranked among the top 100. Once again, thank you for stopping by.